Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. Today the topic of our discussion is dropshipping for beginners. In the world of e-commerce, or to start an online store, you probably heard the term dropshipping. The concept of dropshipping is pretty simple. Dropshipping is a type of retail fulfillment that lets you sell products without managing, storing, or shipping inventory. Instead, you connect with dropshipping suppliers and source products to sell online. Customers check out products on your site, place an order on your online store, order details are forwarded to the supplier by your store, and the supplier directly delivers the product to the customer. The steps you need to start a dropshipping. You have to choose your supplier, connected their app to your online store, import items to your online store, develop a dropshipping pricing strategy and set your prices, active your online store inventory and make them visible to your shoppers. Your dropshipping model is complete. Here are a few other reasons why dropshipping is such a popular model for both large and small businesses. Less upfront capital is required. You don't have to deal with purchasing inventory or managing a warehouse. Very suitable for students and entrepreneurs. I hope you get to know much about dropshipping methods. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video on how to make money with dropshipping. Don't forget to like and subscribe.